Every program in C language is nothing but a collection of functions. Not only that, the C program begins with a function, namely main. What do you mean by function? I'll explain the concept within a moment. Observe this program. This program will display 3 messages 3 times. See, there are 3 messages: hello, then how are you, and third one is I hope you like. And these 3 messages are repeated 3 times. Okay, now execute the program and see the output at DOS prompt. Yes, the output shows that the task of displaying 3 messages is performed thrice. Okay, now we'll implement the same program using function, namely my function. Let us open the second file. Yes, this is your file. Let us execute this file by pressing Ctrl F9 and see the output at DOS prompt. The output is exactly same. Okay, now let us analyze this program which has used the concept of function. Here, this part is a function, namely my function. This is the part. So this source code, the part of the source code, this one is nothing but your function, namely my function. Okay, now we are calling this function 3 times from the function main. From the inside of function main, we have called this function 3 times. This is your first call, this is second call, and this is third call. It's just like as calling a servant. Okay, now we'll execute the program in step-by-step manner. So control is now on the function call. Currently the control is in the hands of function main, and function my function is yet to come in the picture. When the function main call function my function, the activity of the main is temporarily suspended. The control is transferred to the function my function. Press F7 to see the effect. Yes, control is transferred to the function my function. After doing the job or task, the function my function will return the control to the function main. Let us see it. Execute all the 3 printf statements, and now you see our function my function, name of the function is my function, will return the control to the function main. Is it clear? Now again there is a second call, execute it. Yes, the job of the my function is over. You can watch the output at the DOS prompt. Yes, the 2 sets are displayed, and now we are calling the function again, that is third time. Execute it. Control is in the hands of my function. Now the control is returned to the function main. Execute, return 0, and that's it. Understood it? I'll explain the concept in detail in next session. Thank you.